Shanbhagavali, please unmute and speak.
Yes, Nishantini. I was like wondering how we will be doing that. Like if I have an account and related opportunities to that, if I have to show like this account is having like three opportunities and then the total amount for this account is like this much. If I have to calculate that, I was not sure
Okay.
how I have to calculate that.
You can able to see, right? There
Yeah.
is a one closed one opportunity is there. It showing me the amount. There is only one opportunity is here. It's showing me the amount here. Both medium priority. What is the status of this? So I can include next actions, everything. Let me show you my prompt for this,
Okay.
so that you can got some clarity on this. See, I did not use any of the roll-up summary field or flow here to generate this. So
Okay.
everything is a prompt.